Magnetic Group is anything but ordinary. We could sit and watch as life goes by or choose to fly higher. That means bringing all the Magnetic brands under one united name. We are excited to announce that Direct Maintenance, a certified line maintenance provider, a subsidiary of Magnetic Group since March 2019, is now called Magnetic Line. The main mission of Magnetic Line, to offer airlines unrivaled line maintenance and convenience in airports they fly to, will remain. Our business will continue operating with the same exceptional team, form, and with the highest levels of service you have already come to know. Magnetic Line provides a full range of line maintenance solutions supporting any operational need. We value line maintenance as a critical part of any airline's daily operations. We stay ahead of the competition by supplying the emotional and business needs of ourselves as well as our clients, because our clients are a major priority. We strongly believe everything we do is for the greater good because we're the industry's most dynamic company. Constant cooperation between sectors and a will to do everything better is the core of Magnetic Group and has brought us here. And who knows? Maybe one day the Magnetic Group will conquer the stars, because with our people, skills, talent, and motivation, nothing is impossible. We are passionate. We are driven. We are magnetic.